Hey there, Jen Joy with the State of Joy and Classical Saxophone Ambassador. I like to share the music of the classical saxophone. It's not jazz, it's not pop, it's not rock, it's classical. But it's also very edgy, modern, and broad and robust and beautiful and lyrical and all the things. So I'd like to share with you a piece called the Muchinsky Sonata. I'm out here in Lithia Park in Ashland, Oregon. It's a summer day that's bringing in thunderclouds, and it felt like the perfect environment to come out and play robustly into nature. So I hope that you enjoy just the enjoyment of the saxophone for this piece. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.